Hello, mathematicians. So earlier today, Miss Vanderpool was at the grocery store and I was buying some things and I was using math strategies that we've been using and I wanted to share what I did with you. So I was walking around the store and I saw bananas and I thought, I love bananas. I'd love to have some for breakfast. So I picked up one pile of bananas and then I picked up another pile of bananas. But my problem was that this pile of bananas had 5 and this pile of bananas had 4, and I wanted to know how many bananas I had. But I didn't have any tools at the grocery store to help me solve my problem to put them together. So I found 2 strategies that I could use while I'm at the grocery store. So the first one is definitely my fingers. I can use my fingers to count some things. So I said, okay, this pile has 5 bananas and this pile has 4. So I'll put up 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers and I can just count on. So these bananas were 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 bananas altogether. I also had with me a piece of paper that had a number line on it, and I remembered that I can use a number line to count on and figure out how many bananas I had. So I know that the first pile had 5. So I'm going to start at the 5, and then I'm going to count on my 4. So I had 5, and then the other pile had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 9 again. So if I use my fingers, I got 9 bananas. And then if I use my number line, I also got 9 bananas. And then I'm walking through the store, and then I see some apples. And I love apples also. Apples and bananas go great together. So there were bags of apples. So I picked up one bag of apples, and then I picked up another bag of apples. And this bag had 3 apples in it. This bag had 4 apples in it, and I was wondering how many apples am I getting all together then? So I was able to use my strategies again. So I used my fingers to figure it out first. So this bag had 3, this bag had 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, so I had 7 apples. I also was able to use my number line just to double check my work. So the first bag had 3, and then I counted on 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I have 7 apples altogether. So I put those in my cart, and then I kept walking through the store, and I thought, after eating these bananas and apples, I'm going to want some juice boxes to go along with it. So I saw some packs of juice boxes. And then I saw a box of juice boxes that had two juice boxes in it. And then I saw a box that had 8 juice boxes in it. So I grabbed them both, but I still wanted to know how many I had altogether. So I can use my fingers. So the first box had 2 and the second box had 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 juice boxes altogether. I was also able to double check my work on my number line. So the first box had 2 juice boxes. And then I counted on 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 10 juice boxes all together. Then I'm walking through the store and I'm almost done grocery shopping, but I thought after those bananas and apples and juice boxes, I might want a little dessert. So I saw some popsicles. So in the freezer section, there are these boxes of popsicles, and one had 5 popsicles in it, and the other one had 2 popsicles in it. And I grabbed both of those boxes, but then I thought, how many popsicles am I going to have now all together? So this one had 5, and this one had 2. So I thought 5, 6, 7. Oh, so I'd have 7 popsicles altogether. And then I double checked my work using my number line, So the first box had 5, and then I counted on 2 spaces. 1, 2. Oh, yep. So I'm definitely going to have 7 popsicles all together. You're going to use these 2 strategies using your fingers and using a number line to help you work through lesson 11.2 and 11.3. So today you're doing 11.2 using your fingers and counting on, and then 11.3 using a number line to add those numbers together. Make sure that you take a picture of both pages and upload them to your Class Dojo account so that you can earn your points for the day.